This is a 2013 Ford Mustang. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, a limited slip differential, a low tire pressure indicator, high-intensity headlights, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, full power accessories, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, privacy glass, an anti-lock braking system, a keyless entry system, and this vehicle has fewer than 20,000 miles on the odometer. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
Key Scales Ford is family owned and has been serving Central Florida for 45 years in the same location. We are located at 1719 North Citrus Boulevard in Leesburg. That's what the key to your best deal is at Key Scales Ford.